Do you think Mrs. Parker Bowles was a factor in the breakdown of your marriage?
Well, there were 3 of us in this marriage, so it was a bit crowded.
¿Crees que la señora Parker Bowles fue un factor en la ruptura de tu matrimonio?
Bueno, éramos 3 en este matrimonio, así que estaba un poco abarrotado.
Glauben Sie, dass Mrs. Parker Bowles eine Rolle beim Scheitern ihrer Ehe gespielt hat?
Nun, es waren tatsächlich 3 von uns in dieser Ehe, also war es etwas eng.
你认为帕克鲍尔斯夫人是导致你婚姻破裂的一个因素吗？
这段婚姻中有我们3个人，所以有点拥挤。
Pensez-vous que Madame Parker Bowles a joué un rôle dans l'effondrement de votre mariage?
Résumé, il y avait 3 personnes dans ce mariage, c'était encombré.
Pensi che Mrs. Parker Bowles sia stata un fattore nel crollo del tuo matrimonio?
Beh, eravamo in 3 in questo matrimonio, quindi era un po' affollato.
Você acha que a senhora Parker Bowles foi um fator na ruptura do seu casamento?
Bem, éramos 3 neste casamento, então estava um pouco apertado.
あなたはパカ・ボウルズ夫人があなたの結婚が破綻した一因だと思いますか？
この結婚には私たち3人がいるので少し急遽です。
First, let's click the green button. Start by clicking the Try Free online button on the homepage. With this tool, there's no need to download any software, it's all online, making it super convenient and accessible. Then you can either upload a video by clicking the designated box or simply drag and drop it. In the top right corner, you'll find a drop-down bar. Click and choose Target Languages. With over 130 languages available and even various accents to choose from, you can tailor the translation to your audience's preferences. Now select Voice Options. A pop-up box will appear, giving you 2 options: choose a new voice for your video or let the AI clone the voice from your original video. This feature ensures a natural and professional result. Adjust additional settings that these options allow you to customize your output to match the feel of your content. Once everything is set, click the Translate button. The AI will process your video, and in just a few seconds, your translated video will be ready. What makes Blipcut even more impressive is how easy it is to use while still delivering professional-grade results. Whether you're looking to reach a global audience or just save time on editing, this tool has you covered. Don't forget to explore the additional features like subtitle editing and video enhancements to make your content even more engaging.